Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Thrifting in 2023 video. If you are new here to my channel, my name is Jessica and I like to go thrifting for home decor items, useful items that I can use in my home, and I do like to pick up gifts for friends and family. If you also enjoy this type of thrifting content, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I do post new videos on my channel every week and I would love to have you here. All right, so let's go into Goodwill and see what we can find now. So we are starting off today's trip in the holiday / seasonal decor section. This really large basket full of these little wooden decor ball things really caught my eye. It was $7.98 for the entire basket. It's not really my style, but I did think it was a good deal and I wanted to share it with you guys. While I was in the holiday decor section, I also spotted this really cute vintage Christmas tree topper. It had like an angel and some lights. I thought it was really cute and it was only $2.99. So I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that I did purchase a few items from today's trip, and I will share with you everything that I purchased at the end of today's video. I'll also show you how I used the items in my home, and I also have a really quick recipe that I wanted to share with you guys. And let me know what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I really enjoy talking to you guys down in the comments. So I found this brand new bag of reusable cotton drawstring bags to use for like loose leaf tea or dried herbs, things like that. And I ended up getting these. The price was not on them, but I did get them for 99 cents. Okay, so if you've been around my channel for a while, you probably know that I love these style of glasses. They kind of look like a Coke can. I've never seen any in a color before. They're always clear or they always have some sort of restaurant logo on them. So these were only 89 cents and I'm definitely gonna have to get a few of these. So most of you guys already know that I love finding throw pillow case covers, and I've gotten pretty lucky over the years finding some really nice ones. And today I spotted these two right here sitting on top, and they were $1.69 each. So I did end up purchasing both of the pillow covers that I shared in the last clip. They were so nice and I could not leave these behind, especially for $1.69 each. They were genuine leather and they had zippers on the back, and I knew exactly where I wanted to use these as soon as I saw them. So they are currently on my guest bedroom bed here. I have been adding more warm tones to this space, and I thought they would look really nice in here, especially with all of the other warm tone and wood tone items that I have on the opposite side of the room. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, I did end up purchasing that bag of reusable cotton drawstring bags. I'm going to use these for my loose leaf tea, and they were 99 cents for the pack of 3. I also ended up purchasing all 5 of those soda can style glasses that I shared earlier. They were 89 cents each, and I got 3 in pink and 2 iridescent. And I thought these glasses would be really pretty to serve my smoothies in, and I thought I would share with you guys a easy summer smoothie recipe that I have been loving lately. For this particular recipe, you will need 1 cup of plant-based milk. You will also need 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 frozen banana, and a handful of mixed tropical frozen fruit. I'm currently using the Festival blend from Costco. It has pineapple, mango, strawberry, and papaya in it. And I also used 1 scoop of the Chimp brand vegan organic protein powder. And if you're looking for a really good protein powder with clean ingredients, definitely check out Chimp. I will have them linked down below. They are hands down the best protein powder that I have ever tried. I really like it because it doesn't have that chalky taste or that fake sugar aftertaste that most protein powders have. So definitely check the link in my description box. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to share this because I thought it was a really good protein powder. And that is everything that I found thrifting at Goodwill this week. If you're new here to my channel, this is my thrift haul inspector. Her name is Peanut, and she did approve of all of my purchases today. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting for yourself. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next week with a new thrifting video.